Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Now today I'll be showing you how to make chicken burger patties. Now before I do that, please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and if you have already done so, thank you very much. Now let's get to our video of the day. So for this recipe, you will need the following ingredients that are listed on the screen. Now don't you worry, I'm going to include the same ingredients down in the description box, so check them out, and also check out the procedure down in the description box. Because I used chicken fillet in this recipe, my first step was cutting the chicken fillet into small pieces. I did this to get the minced meat effect. Now, if you want to get minced meat out of chicken fillet, all you have to do is just put your chicken fillet in a blender and it will turn out as minced meat. But I opted for this procedure. Now, I will not be narrating over this video. I'm just going to leave texts to show you the procedure and what to do. So make sure you pay attention to the video and check out the step-by-step procedure listed in the texts on the screen. So after making your chicken burger patties, you can either store them in the fridge or cook up a piece just like this. So guys, that is all I had for you today. Please remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't. And if you have already subscribed to my channel, I just want to say thank you very much. Also, feel free to drop a recipe that you would like me to try out down in the comment section below. And that's all for today. Until next time, bye.